So here we are looking at a little OLED display. Let me just close that up so that we start from the beginning. So this is a, I don't know how big it is, but it's not very big, 0.96 of an inch OLED display. So it's 128 by 64, I think. It's a nice clear little display. This one's got a yellow bar on the top, so they come in without that. But let's just load it up. Oh, it's not in switches, is it? It's in displays. So let's have a quick look at that. So we are looking at the 64 by 128 example. So this particular example creates a graph, which is quite a applicable thing to do, really. A nice little graph. So here, and it just bungs a random number in. So if I run it, you'll see that a graph comes up and displays a graph. I'm quite proud of this driver because what you're seeing on the front panel is just a picture. So, and that picture I'm converting into the data you see there. So if you use the picture VIs to create any old picture, you can puke it out into our little display, which is rather, I think, swish. So here you can see it's a while loop. I won't go through the connection part again because I'll do a video on the driver's setup at some point. But let's just have a quick look at how it's working. So if I put slow-mo on, my friend, you can see it's just picking up a random number here, 0.067, donk, and it's adding it to the data. So it's just modifying this cluster. So it's increasing the, and then it's then putting it in and building a 2D picture array out of that. And that picture is then being put into this VI here, which converts it into messages. And we'll dig down into that in a minute. The other aspect of this is a shift register, and just to keep it at 100, I think it's 100 readings. If it's over 100, then I take the first one and off and add it, and just, you know, so I'm always at 100 readings. That's how you get a rolling graph. So let's have a quick look at him. So inside our right image, we get picture messages. So here's our picture coming in here, and there's our messages coming out. Okay, so these are all I2C messages. If we dig down a bit further, we will see that that is an array of pixels. Well, it's an array, just an array of booleans, and that's how we're building this out. So I'm taking that array of booleans and manipulating it to get messages, essentially. So, and there's quite a lot of picture VIs. I'll just bring them up quickly. So if we go into graphics and sounds, it's picture functions. I think it's the 2D picture functions. Yes, these that I'm using. Draw ovals, draw lines. So you can build up, you can flatten them and bring in images and all that kind of good stuff. So I've got another example which I'll show at a later date, which uses pre-built images essentially for different states.